Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for August 2020. Let's begin. Okay. So, every month they have this short magazine here that tells us all about the products that we received in the box and their retail value. So let's begin. Okay, so this first product I see here is this Floss Brighten Up Highlighter Illuminator. Let's see. Let's open these. Uh-oh. It's hard to open it with fake nails. Okay. Snatch. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. Let's see. It's a pretty color. It's a light champagne yellow gold. Okay, and let's see. This product over here retails for $20. Okay. The next product is this Wish Botanical Primer that's skin balancing, reduces environmental stress. Let's see. The full-sized product retails for $44. Okay. The next product is this. Oh, how do we pronounce this? Solwasu First Care Activating Serum. So that's in Korean right there. That, I think, is in a different language, probably Chinese. But let's see what it says here. This product, the full-sized version, retails for $84. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. It's in this cute little bottle. So you just pump it. It has this pump. Okay. Okay, the next product in the box is this H2O Hydrating Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. Let's see. This product retails for $42, the full-sized version of this. Okay. The next item is this Pixie Rose Oil Blend with pomegranate oils as well. It's a nourishing face oil. And this product, the full-size version, retails for $24. Let's see. Pomegranate is actually my favorite fruit. Oh, okay, so the pump, this over here came separate, so you take off the cap and then put that on. Interesting. Okay. This pipette. That's cool. Okay. next item is this. Let's see. Erno Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. And this retails for $38. Wow, this bar of soap retails for $38. Okay, let's see where to go. Here it is. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a dark black almost. Let's see. It has an interesting smell. Okay. And there's one last item in the bag. I mean the box. It's a box. This is the last item, and it's a mask. And it is the Lux and Me Too Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Mask. And this one mask retails for $3. Has this interesting art on it. So yeah, that's the last item in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye!